Hello, we're just going to do a couple of examples of solving rational equations. So here I have a fairly simple looking equation. The method is to make the denominators be the same thing. All right, these denominators have nothing in common, so you just multiply each side by the opposite denominator. So x is going to be multiplied by x minus 1, and whatever you do to the bottom you have to do to the top. Okay, because now you're just multiplying by 1. Same deal. This side, multiplied by the other denominator, which is just x, top and bottom. Okay, as I simplify, I'm going to distribute this 5, and I'll have 5x minus 5 over x times x minus 1. Alright, once you have that common denominator, you can ignore it. And you're just solving the equation formed by the terms in the numerators. Okay? So we'll get this guy pretty quick. So I got 5x minus 2x gives me 3x. 5 comes over. We just need to divide by 3. And we're done. Let's try another one. Okay, so this time, this denominator can be factored. So that's what I'll do over here. It's a difference of squares. Okay, so if I rewrite this expression in its factored form, it'll become obvious what I need to multiply this denominator by to make it equal that one. So they already both have x plus 2. I'm going to have to multiply by x minus 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Okay, so now my denominator is going to be fine. I'll distribute that 3 for the next line, and it looks like this. And as before, once the denominators match, you can ignore it. Okay, and same deal. Gather your like terms. 3x minus 5x will give me a negative 2x. I have a 6 over here. Divide by negative 2. And I'll get my answer. Alright, the last one here involves 3 expressions. So it's a little more challenging, but we'll get there. Alright. This guy can be factored. Maybe I'll just squeeze it right here. I can factor an x, and then it'll be multiplied by x minus 5. Alright, so x times x minus 5. That's going to tell us or guide us into how to change the other denominators into this. So x minus 5 needs to be multiplied by an x to match. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. This guy needs an x minus 5, top and bottom. Alright, and the method's the same. Our denominators all match, so we can ignore that. And I'll distribute this 2 just to make things a little bit nicer. Alright, looks like we've run into some unfortunate business here. If I do 6x minus 4x, I get 2x. And then I'll subtract this 2x. And I end up with 0 equals negative 10. Bad luck, no solution to this one. But the method was sound.